Today we are going to talk about liquid clustering and deletion vectors in Databricks. So how to enable liquid clustering? While you are creating the table, you can use cluster by with the column names. Here I am using region with the sales data. Okay, I created the table with clustering. So I can see that what is my table cluster added. If you come here, describe table extended, you can see that what are the cluster columns added into my table, region and sales date. Okay, this is how the cluster will be enabled. Now suppose I don't want any cluster. How to do that? You can directly go the alter command and say none. Now we can go and see that what was my cluster columns. So if you see that it was showing us empty, right? So no cluster columns, no clustering is enabled. So here we don't have any clusters. Now suppose I am going back and again I am enabling the cluster with the two column names. This will help us to change the columns names anytime. So now again I am enabling the same column. So now you can see that the region and sales date is showing up. If you don't want to some other columns you want to make it, you can use the alter statement. And now we want to enable deletion vectors. This is the great feature. Okay, so it will mark as kind of soft delete. Okay, instead of going and deleting all the records, whatever you make, it will be very fast, and it will say that enable deletion vectors. We enabled it. What will happen is whenever you delete any records, it will mark or flag those values as delete. Okay, suppose if I am deleting the south region records, right? So it will mark those south region records are deleted with some kind of marking. Okay, it will not do any recompute or anything. So once you are doing that, right? So we have seen that the log in delete and region is south, and we can go and see that it shows that how many it will say deletion vector removed. It added as 1. Okay, so some it means we have deletion vector applied for one of the file. If you like this video, you can comment and subscribe the channel and like